Newly appointed Labor Secretary Francis Tolentino lays down his plans to protect Filipino workers. In his first flag-raising ceremony, he also gave an update on the number of fatalities as well as the investigation into the collapsed building in Angeles City, Pampanga. Micah Razon joins us to tell us more. Micah, go ahead.
During his first flag-raising ceremony as Labor Secretary, Francis Tolentino outlined his plans and priorities for the Department of Labor and Employment. In his remarks, Tolentino said that beyond raising the national flag, he is committed to raising the dignity of Filipino workers and further strengthening DOLE as one of the country's leading government agencies. Meanwhile, Tolentino also provided an update on the collapsed building incident in Pampanga, where search, rescue, and retrieval operations remain ongoing. Latest reports show 12 confirmed dead, around 8 people still missing, and 27 survivors. He said the contractors involved may face labor-related cases as the department continues its investigation. He also confirmed that Golden Years construction is not licensed. The labor chief added that the department's investigation into Golden Years construction is expected to be completed by June 12. Tolentino also said he plans to invite labor leaders from various sectors to speak during future flag-raising ceremonies. According to him, this will help strengthen engagement with workers and ensure that their concerns are heard through open dialogue. Back to you, Mai.
Micah, ano pa ang ibang sinabing plano ng bagong Labor Secretary natin?
Tolentino shared that he will strengthen the agency's hotline for labor complaints. Kasi he said, medyo kulang and dapat 24/7. He also shared that on the following days, the Filipino people will expect answers about labor issues like contractualization, job order, and talent system. Mai?
Micah, doon sa collapsed building sa Angeles City, bakit nakalusot daw itong kumpanya na Golden Years noong nagkaroon naman ng work stoppage, hindi ba? Doon na-flag yung kanilang license.
Tolentino said, ayaw niya mang pagtakpan, but there are only 38 DOLE inspectors in Region 3. And those 38 people are inspecting more or less 7,000 construction sites. And that's why it slipped on their records that Golden Years is not licensed in Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board. Mai?
Thank you. Micah Razon reporting.